Okay, so here's a question you may be asking yourself. What do I do first? Learn how to use Procreate or learn how to draw? Why not do both? And why not learn from a successful professional who's been using digital art software for decades? Why not learn how to draw using both traditional and digital techniques? And also, why not use never-seen-before techniques that harness the power of the digital age to speed up your art journey? Enroll on this, my latest, most ambitious course, and find out just how well I can answer these questions for you. I've been a designer illustrator for nearly 40 years. I'm also the author of Procreate Solid Foundations, which occupies the #1 slot out of all the Procreate courses on Udemy. Now I'll teach you how to draw using Procreate. Okay, so here's something else you may have thought to yourself. I can draw fairly well, but how do I transfer what I already know to a digital art app? Well, okay, what I'm about to say is the very core of this course philosophy. Traditional artists will see techniques they know, but I promise you this, you will see drawing techniques here that no one has ever seen before. Over the years, I've developed many strategies to practice digital art, meet deadlines, impress the clients, maximize the potential of digital art, and work in ways that simply aren't possible with traditional media. Now, drawing is the cornerstone of art. Being able to see something and reproduce that image on a screen is what this course is all about. I cover drawing basics, making marks efficiently, volumetrics, perspective, shading, and by the end of this course, you will have mastered various effective drawing techniques, traditional and digital. You will gain the confidence to tackle your own art projects, and one day soon, you may well be looking at one of your own creations and thinking, that looks fantastic. I did that. So enroll now. Learn how to draw using Procreate from someone who knows what's important and knows how to teach. Feel free to check out the ratings and reviews of my other courses, and I feel this course is my best yet. So get ready to be an artist. Get ready to make your work shine. I'll see you on the course.